In this video, we're going to talk about a framework feature which you want to keep in mind in some specific use scenarios, and that is the transforms, which you can find on the very right of the options column. Now, as you click, you're going to see some elements which you can edit, such as the scale, skew, rotate, depth, perspective, and so much more. And the very first question which I usually receive is why should I use the transform compared to, say, scaling the item or the object directly in the framer site? And the question is very legit and one that I asked myself as well. And the answer it is that using the transform tool in Framer side menu offers several advantages over direct manipulation. First one being is precision. So you can enter exact values for position, size, rotation, and skew, ensuring accuracy. But even more than that is the consistency. So you can apply uniform transformations across multiple elements easily, and that is going to be key in some specific use scenarios such as animations, interactions, when dealing with multiple elements in responsive scenarios specifically. And it also help you with additional control, so you can adjust the pivot points and lock aspect ratios for better management of transitions and even efficiency, because you can quickly make batch adjustments and see real-time feedback. And as you mentioned, also handling complex transformations with like skewing more effectively. So essentially the transform tool enhances precision, consistency, and efficiency, making it ideal for professional and detailed design work. So now that we understood why transforms are important, let's examine the most useful ones. So as you've seen, we have the scale transform, which is the most one of the most basic. You can remove it by simply right-clicking on it. We have the skew, which is going to help us essentially skew the image. So this one, again, pretty straightforward. Rotate, it's going to rotate in 2D or even in 3D if we want to add the X and Y axis and then the Z axis as well. And after that, we're going to have the depth, which you can't really see from here. This one is going to need some context around it. And the same is going to be true for perspective and also some of the other ones which you can see here: origin, backface, and preserve 3D. These are going to be more advanced transform, which should require an entire tutorial in of itself, because they are going to work in relation to other objects and scenarios which are more intricate. I just wanted to make you aware of this feature for now, and then we're going to perhaps explore these other ones in future videos.